Good morning, Year 5. How are you? I hope you are fine. We already done this unit 6. So let's start your review with check your progress. So first you need to keep your learner's book with you with your notebook, please. So let's start with warm-up activity first. Your warm-up activity question, only one question is there. What is the difference between rotation and the revolution? With picture, please send me pictures also. So you can take your time, you can write down this and send me in class Jojo. So I will check your answer. We already done the movement about the earth movement, that how it move. It shows two types of movement. One is the rotation and second is the revolution. Both are taking place in the same time. The rotation is when the things or when the earth moves around its own axis is called rotation, and it takes, for the completion of the one rotation, earth takes 24 hours. And that's why the rotation caused for day and night. For the revolution, when any object move around another object, or like earth move around a sun, it's called revolution, and earth takes to complete its one round around the sun, it takes 1 year or 365 days. So it means in the whole year we have 4 seasons. So revolution causes the season, and also the season causes, number 1 is the revolution and number 2 is the tilted hemisphere. If northern hemispheres facing the sunlight, it means we are experiencing a summer season. And if the southern part of the earth facing the sunlight, we experience a winter. In winter, we have longer night and shorter days. In summer, we have longer days and shorter nights. So, and the sunset is sun always appear from the east, and always set up or sunset is there in the west. So you always be focused on the position of the sun. When sun is in the north of west, so it means your image or your day is in the east. So you can keep these things in your mind. Let's start with first question. In first question, they are giving you a picture and they said you have to complete this diagram. So you have to use the word sun, earth, moon, orbit, axis, rotation and revolution. So you can do this question by your own and send me this picture. So I will check this. Okay, my dear? So you can write down and send me what happened here. Now, in question number 1b, which earth movement causes day and night? Definitely it is the rotation of the earth. Which two factor causes the season? Season causes by two types. One is the revolution, and second is tilted tilted pole. Means if North Pole or North Hemisphere tilted towards the sun, it's a summer. If South Pole tilted towards the sun, it is winter. So the two causes are there for the two factors are cause the season. Number one is the revolution of the earth and number two is the tilted pole of the earth. So now here in question number 2, they are giving some data that January, 1st January, 4th January, 8th January, 12th January, 16th January and 20th January, sunrise timing and the sunset timing. How we take the length of the day? We need to minus the sunset timing, sunrise timing to the sunset timing. So you need to minus both of them, then it will be coming here. Like here 17 and 6. 17 and 6, here is 43 and 38. When you decrease this 38 to 38 is 5. So 11 is here is 11:05. So this is the length of the day, right? Now, so you calculate all the days like this, length of the days like, and now we can check. Here is the B part of this question is describe the pattern of change in the length of the day. So you can check here. So in my opinion, it's all our days become longer. So you write down the length of the days become longer. So it's become longer. Right, my dear? Now, which season do you think Kingston having in January? In January, they have winter. Because in winter, they have short nights, short days and longer nights. Which season will Kingston experience in 6 months? After 6 months. Now, you can count the month. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. In June, what happened? It's a winter. It's a summer. So you write down after 6 months, this side experience a summer because it's a June, because in that time the northern hemisphere tilted towards the sun, right? So you must write June and northern hemisphere tilted towards the sun. Right now, question number 3 lists 3 pieces of the equipment that have helped astronomers to discover more about the solar system and the stars. So we have 3 things. Number 1 is telescope. Number 2 is probe. Number 3 is your rover. So number 1 is rover. Number 2 is probe. And number 3 is telescope. Telescope, what it did? Telescope take the pictures with bigger and clear image. Probes, it's a robotic instrument which is taking the pictures and it has a parachute. So it is also taking the pictures and take the information from the space. Third one is a rover. Rover is a vehicle which is also robotic vehicle. It is they are scientists. They sent this rover on the space by the help of the rocket. So it will take the pictures, it will take the temperature, it will take the pictures of the stones and the sample of the stones from the space. Now question number 4, the rover is here. So what is this? How does the rover gets to the Mars? Because of the by the help of the rocket. What and or who operates the rover? No one operates. It's a robotics or some man-made. So you write down it's a robotic or man-made. What kind of the information does it collect? It collects the samples of the stones, it collects the temperature of the planets, it collects the pictures of the planets. So this is all, my dear. You can write down the answer, and in the next slide here are the answers, so you can go and check and send it to me in a class dojo. If you have any confusion, you can write down. I will check this. Okay, thank you so much.